Alright guys, welcome to another section of this video. Like I showed you in the other video, the basic melodic pattern with your chord. So the first chord was Do, one chord. Later are C sus 2. The second chord was the fifth chord, which is basically known as G major. The third chord was our sixth chord, which is basically known as the La. That is A minor chord. This is the root. And another note there, another chord there is the fourth chord, which is basically known as Fa, or the fourth chord, which is in key of F major, and the one chord. So another version of how to play the melody with your chords. Like I showed you in the other video. Please, if you not watch the other video, please just go back and watch the other video, and you see the first melodic lesson I made there. Okay, I believe it will be helpful to you, and you will understand how the whole thing starts. So the second one now is okay. So what am I playing there? The one chord. What I'm playing there is that is Sol La Do Re Mi Sol, Sol La Do Re Mi Sol. This Re now you go to your Sol, which is your fifth chord. And this feel now you play before going to La, you play something like Sol Mi La. You strum your La chord. This is how to play La. You bar the full chord. Take this first, the ring finger to the fifth string. Take this one, the pinky, to the fourth string on the ninth fret. Then on this lap, before going to the fourth chord, you play something like Sol La Do Mi Re La Fa. La do mi re mo re fa la va. Good over. Done. Then on this you want to make it look more harmonizing and more a kind of a freestyling, you understand? Instead of playing notes, you play something like this. So what am I playing there? I strum my fourth chord. Before I reach the last string there, which is the Do, I harmonize it with my Re. You need to be fast a little bit. Understand? Before you reach the Do, you harmonize the Do with the Re. Then you move the same pattern, the same shape to the fifth chord, which is the G major. Just the whole tone. You just shifted the whole tone. Then if you want to make it look more melodious, you can add something like, what am I playing there? That is La, but I'm taking this La off and bringing my pinky to my T. T, T, T. Okay, alright guys, I believe this video has really helped you, or has been a little help for you, okay? Please, if this video has been a little help for you, I want you to like this video, comment, subscribe, share this video, okay? Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video I'm going to drop.